This is my favorite wash day ever, and today we are going to try to recreate it. This is back in 2021, and I used the viral Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly Scrunching Jelly. And I even went viral for trying to recreate this routine in 2023. So today, once again, I am going to watch the original routine I made in 2021 with this product and recreate it step by step to see if it works 5 years later. And in the end, I will let you know if the results still hold up. I'll let you know what I would do differently and my overall thoughts on how it looks. Because let's be real, my hair is longer, my hair has changed. Does it work the same? Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Barbie. I'm a curly hair coach, and I've been helping curlies care for and understand and love their natural curls since 2020. Through my videos and curly hair subscription, Curls Monthly, I help curlies build routines that actually work. Each month, Curls Monthly will send you 5 curl products directly to your door, starting at just $28 a month. And the best part about it is that you actually get to build your own box, customizing it to your curls and your curl goals. So if you're ready to simplify your routine, discover new products, and get real curl education along the way, tap the link below to check out Curls Monthly. I would love to help you on your curl journey. So I just got out of the shower. Now I'm going to watch the routine so I can recreate it. This is the Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly. I look so different. It's so wild. I just started using this product like 2 months ago, and I've been using it like 90% of the time since I got it. Yeah, I used to use this product literally all the time. It is a good moisturizing stronghold gel. This is how I've been using it. Always gotta prep the hair with a nice leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with banana butter, also by Umberto Giannini. And it's sectioning off my hair. Okay, so I have my banana butter ready for this routine. This product is so good. Like, these products are both so good. Why have I not used them recently? Like, literal no reason. Like, actual literal no reason. It smells like banana. Like, it smells like banana Laffy Taffy, which may sound weird, but is actually like very enjoyable. I am just going to make sure that my hair is very, very, very wet. Back in this day, I was like drenching my hair before I styled it. Now I'll style on wet hair typically, but not soaking wet hair like I used to. Okay, going in with banana butter. And I'm just raking that in. I'll probably have to use more than I ever have before because back in those days, I had a lot shorter hair. Now my hair is coated with banana butter. Let's see what I did next. Taking off my hair. Took about a quarter size amount of the curl jelly, raking it through. So then I sectioned off my hair. In the video, I said I took a quarter amount of the curl jelly, but I had way more than a quarter on my hand. My hair's a lot longer, so I definitely need to take more. So we'll guesstimate how much I should do, but that's how much it took last time. That's so much. I would never take that much now, but we're just doing it. We're just doing it. I'm gonna take this much. So much gel. And rake it in. What did I do next? Going to define my curls with my favorite Denman technique. Then I start scrunching. Wow. Okay, I literally have the exact same Denman brush. This is the one from 2021. And back then, like, I have not defined my curls like this in so long. So, quote unquote, my favorite Denman technique that I did there was I would put the Denman brush in, turn it all the way around, and then kind of put pressure on the end to kind of like ribbon my curls like that. Whoa, those are gonna be so juicy. I'm actually really excited, like, especially because my hair's long. Like, I wonder what it'll be like. Okay, repeating. See, you want that kind of ribbony look to your hair. I did see like product clumps in my hair there, so I guess I'm probably using the right amount. And I'm guessing probably one of the big secrets why this routine turned out so well is because I used Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly, which is one of those products that has been kind of floating around the curl world now for like a decade. And for good reasons. Like, the girlies love, look at that ribbon. Sorry, I interrupted myself. The girlies love this product. I can't believe it's been probably a year since I've used it. And again, like, for no reason other than just like their shiny object syndrome. Like, I'm always having to try products, and like, so it takes me a long time to like actually get back to things that are some cult classics. But see, I'm just turning this and kind of putting some pressure on it. This was my old school technique. Like, this is what put me on the map. Okay, did I do anything after this? Scrunching after I've gone through with the Denman brush on this entire section. Okay, so I just scrunched it after that. So we will scrunch and kind of pulse it just like I did there. I literally feel like I have so much product in my hair. Like, I am slightly worried about that. but I'm just trusting this process. Now that I'm done that section, I pin that section away. And then I think I start on my second section.
Then I'm going to repeat all of that on my middle section and top section.
Yes, I do just do that. So I'll take my section down. And nowadays, I think because I just have a lot more hair than I did back then, I'll usually style in 4 sections, but we'll see where we end up today. So I'm taking kind of just my middle section. And I didn't show it on that video, but I know for a fact that I always would re-wet down my hair section by section. So you've probably seen the Umberto Giannini curl jelly all over your FYP. It's really made for waves, curls, and coils. Like I've seen it work pretty dang well on all hair types. It tames frizz, it adds shine. They market it as like a light to medium hold product. And it's weird, I don't know, sometimes I get a really good gel cast with it and sometimes I don't, but I don't like think that I had a good or bad wash day based on my gel cast, and you should not either. But it's just interesting, like sometimes I get really good crunch with it and sometimes I don't, so we'll see what happens today. It's also lightweight, which is cool, so like I would say that specifically I think this is a good gel for soft hair. And I don't even have soft hair. But I don't know, it's one of those like universal gels where it's just kind of like good for everything, because this product like does what it says it does. Like it doesn't have too many like crazy added ingredients that would like make it stereotypically for soft or medium or rough hair. Like it is a product that holds your hair and defrizzes it and holds it in place. So not only is it like an OG Barbie doll cult favorite, but this is actually the #1 selling gel in the UK, which I think is so cool. It's a cult favorite in the UK as well. And actually, Umberto Giannini is a UK-based brand. There is so much product in my hair. It does provide like a nice good slip too, so the brush isn't having a hard time getting through my hair. And it's scrunching the second section. And Umberto Giannini products are always vegan and cruelty-free, FYI. Pin the second section away, and now for the top section. Now in the video, I didn't like specify how to do the top section. Specifically in that video, I did a side part. However, I don't want a side part today, so I'm gonna do a middle part. Don't tell anybody. Spray down my hair. And I'm using like this much for 1/2 of my hair. I feel like back then I probably would have used a little bit more, but I don't know. I'm getting freaked out that I'm putting way too much product in my hair right now. And then of course, my little Dunman technique. Maybe like I'm gonna love this and I'm just gonna bring this Dunman technique back because I don't even see anybody doing this anymore. It was the shake too. Like everybody used to put this through their hair, go down, and then shake it. It's just like memories of past. Other side.
Taking a little bit more of the curl jelly and scrunching that on in.
At the end of that routine, I then go in and scrunch more gel in my hair. Ah! Okay, we're gonna do it though. I said I was gonna copy it. I've never used so much product in my life. Like, this is so much product. But like, hey, this should really hold, you know? This should really hold. I don't even think back then I would micro plop. I don't know, like I didn't make a mention of it, but I feel like if I put my hair in the diffuser right now, it will like set the diffuser on fire. Like I'm worried about like static shock. So I'm just gonna micro plop it like a tiny bit. I may have micro plopped back then. I really don't remember, but I just feel like micro plopping helps so much. Okay, well, now that I have product everywhere, I'm gonna diffuse and we'll see what it looks like when we're done. I have to guess at what I used to do diffusing wise. I don't know. And here are the final results. Now I must say it took forever to dry because I used so much gel. But that being said, it does look pretty good. I can definitely see that it does look a lot like the photo in terms of it has these like, it's like the juiciness to the curls that I don't normally see. So I do think I did a pretty dang good job recreating this. And I got a surprising amount of volume, like more volume than I thought I was going to get. I like it. I mean, I couldn't say a single thing wrong with how my hair looks right now. I think it looks really good. I would definitely do this again. I think that I would use probably less gel, or I would just not diffuse all the way. I would just like diffuse till it's like 50% dry and then air dry all the way, because like that diffusing process was a really, like the whole wash day start to finish was 2 hours and 20 minutes. And that's That's unacceptable to me. So that would need to change. But besides that, I mean, the results of the product are really good. I need to like incorporate this product into my current routine and just see how that works too. That I need to know. And best news of all, Curls Monthly subscribers get to try not only the full-size Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly Scrunching Jelly inside of the May 2026 Curls Monthly box, but they also get to try 4 other Umberto Giannini products as part of a Umberto Giannini takeover box. Literally so cool, starting at $28. Like, this is a steal. If you're not gonna subscribe now, like, I don't even know. Of course, the link is below if you would like to sign up. Let me know below, do you think that these results look like the 2021 results? I think it's pretty dang close. See you next time.